So mount your camera on a landscape, make a record of yourself walking, pick up the rubber, hit the ground, or anything else. You know what you want to be doing. So with your hands now, make a sign of summoning something, as if you are summoning something like you see me do here. After that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. At this point, you know where you want your own to start. I want my own to start from here. I will click on the video and make a split. Then delete this first part. I don't need it again. Then I adjust the video. Go to the end of the video. Go. This place where I stood up, where I'm about going out, I will click on the video, make a split. Delete this last part. I don't need it again. Then I will come back. This very place at the middle of the video where I'm about summoning the monster. Here, this place, I will click on overlay. And import our green screen, our groundbreaking screen. At this point, you look for remove BG, remove background, remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on chroma key, come and drag it. Mark this good. Then you adjust the video to see the ground. You can see that the green has not fully removed. Click on empty. Click on this empty here. Click on empty. Click on the green screen again. Then go and look for adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Look for adjust. Look at adjust here. Click it. Look for HSL. Click on HSL. Click on green. Come and adjust this middle part. Adjust it completely. Then you click on this arrow that look like good. Click on that arrow. Then you mark this good here. Click it. Then you come and hold this your screen. Hold it and adjust it to the way you want your own to be. And drag it. Align it to match the ground. Align it. Yes. After that, for me, this green screen is too short for me. So what I will do is click on this arrow to go back. Click on overlay. Then import the green screen again. Import it again. Then come to the middle part. This place now. Yes, here. Click on it and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Delete it. So at this point, click on the green screen, go and look for remove BG, chroma key, remove it. You can see that the green has not fully removed. Click on this arrow and go back. Click on it, then go and look for adjust. Look for adjust like we did before. Look for adjust. This is adjust here. Click it, HSL, green, the middle part, take it to the end. Then mark here and mark the good to go back. Click on this green screen and hold it. Align it with the first one. So at this point, we want to import our monster. We want to bring in our monster. Click on add overlay. Add overlay. Click on add overlay. Then this is our monster here. Import it to the workspace. Import it. Then at this point, go and look for the part you want. You don't need all this part. So use your hand to just adjust the video. From this place now where the monster is about coming out, click on the video. Make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Click on this one and hold it and shift it to go and cover the green screen. Yes, align it. At this point now, we want to remove the background. Click on the green screen monster. Go and look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG. Remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key. Drag it. You can see that the green has not fully removed like we always do. Click on this arrow to go back. Click on that arrow, go back. Go and look for adjust. Look for adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust. HSL green. click on the center part, take it back, mark here, click on good to go back. At this point, shift the video, move front. At this place where the monster screamed, click on the green screen, make a split and delete it. We don't need this part again. Then you go and click on the video, make a split and delete it. We don't need that part again. Then you go back. At this point where the monster screamed, this very place where the monster screamed, click on this arrow to go back. Click on the arrow, then look for effects. Click on effects, click on effects, body effects, click on body effects. Look at shake, come and click on this shake. Yes, that is good. This is good. At this point you go back. Yes, this is good. Then go back, then click on the video. Click on the video, this place where the green screen started. At this place where the green screen started, you come and click on effect again. Click on effects, click on effects, body effects. Then go and look for nature. Look for nature. Look for nature, guys. This is nature here. Click on that nature. Click on this fire smoke effect. This fire smoke effect. You can click it now. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So at this point, you click on the effect and drag it to cover the video. You can see that the other effect, the shake effect, will not allow it pass. Click and hold that shake effect and drag it down. Click and hold it, drag it down. Come back and click on this one, then adjust it to cover the video. At this point, I think our video is ready. Let's play it and see what we got. Let's play it and see what we've got. Let's play it. Let us see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. This is good, guys. I think that this is good. So at this point, we want to export our video. Click it and export our video to our gallery. So at this point, you can share it to your social media handles. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You know, we need to grow now. So subscribe and support us so that we grow. Thank you very much and stay safe.